Update shooting incident on James Smith First Nation. Suspect believed to be Sean Mistu's 33-year-old male. Brown eyes, brown hair, just over 6 feet tall, 189 pounds. Scar on left hand. Mode of transport unknown. If seen, call 911 immediately. Avoid the community. Be wary of someone asking for a ride. Do not pick up hitchhikers. If in the area, seek immediate shelter. Shelter in place. Do not leave a secure location. Report emergencies or tips, call 911. Do not answer your door unless police provide direction to do so. Stay away from windows. Expect heavy police presence.